Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to capture date range in the card visual. So please try to watch all my previous videos. I'm explaining sequence of development, performance tuning, and SSIS and Power BI and DAX. So now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have done the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I imported to design the report under. Okay, so dim customer, dim geography, dim product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model. So collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. So now we can see that, so already I have enabled the relationship. For example, if I place the mouse over here, you can see that based on these key columns, I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and internet sales. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dim product to internet sales. Based on that, so the filter is getting filtered. So we'll try to speak more on upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report only. Okay, so it's very simple only. So this is a table visual. So here I have date column with respect to each date wise what is the total sales, and we have one slicer, one card visual. So far in the card visual, whenever I'm doing the slicer, I'm just capturing the what is the minimum date, maximum date. So based on that, I'm just concatenating some text to display in the card visual. But in today's video, instead of making the dates, I'm just taking the month name and year. Okay, so what are the selection we are doing in this slicer? I'm just capturing the month name as well as the year, from the minimum date to here and a maximum date to here. Okay, so for example, in this selection, fourth month in 2001, fourth month means April 2001 to 9th month 2003, September 2003. So like that, whenever I'm doing the change, slice the, so automatically it's getting affected, right? So the changes, instead of doing the dates, I'm just adding the month name and year, so that some customers maybe they will ask like this. So that is the reason I'm just creating this video for today's purpose. Okay, so it's getting changed. Now I will try to show what kind of expression I have written to get this expected output. Go to the demo measures, month value. So I'll try to zoom it. So here I have used the 4 variables. So one is month name, year name, max month, max year. So in the month name, I'm just capturing the what is the minimum date. So within the minimum date, I'm using the format function. I'm just converting into this month. Okay, in the year, in this variable, I have taken a min-x date. I'm trying to extract the what is the year in this minimum date. So in this variable, I have taken the max date and formatting into this month by using the format function. In this variable, I have taken the max date and extracting from the max date into the year. So like this, I have declared the variables, and finally while returning, I have used these concatenate functions. So what are the format you want? So based on that, I have given the spaces, and also in between I have given the hyphen, something like that. Even you can add some text if you want, but for timing I'm not adding anything. Just in the minimum date I have used the month name space year hyphen and max month name and a year. So like that, so I have written this expression by using multiple concatenate functions. Maybe there is another way also, but so far I have written like this to get the expected output. And so it will work dynamically when you're doing slicing, dicing and all. So this is the simple output, a simple report only. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching.